Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and maybe replace the door panel on the rear door on BMW E90. The door panels on the front doors are kinda similar to removing them as on the rear door. To remove the door panels, first we need to remove two plastic trims. This is the first plastic trim. I'm using a plastic pry tool so that when I remove the plastic trim I don't scratch it. That's the plastic trim removed. Now we're going to remove the plastic trim on the door handle. That's the other plastic trim removed. Now we need to remove a couple of bolts holding the door panel to the door. I'll show you where they are now. The first bolt is right there, the second bolt is down there, and the third bolt is on the other side right there. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the three bolts are removed, all we need to do now is pull out the door panel. You can use the plastic pry tool, or if you can get your fingers behind the door panel, you just pull it out and maybe then lift it up a little bit on the top just to set it free. Now that the door panel is removed, we need to remove the cable for the door handle and also the electrical connectors. Next, we're going to put the door panel back on the car. To put it back on the car, we need to connect the electrical connectors, and also we need to put the cable for the door handle. After we put on the cable for the door handle, next we're going to put the door panel onto the door and make sure you put the locking button in its place in the hole on the door panel. And then when you put the door panel on, you're going to press it in, and there is plastic buttons that will just click when they're in their place. After the door panel clicks into its place, then we're going to put on the three bolts holding it and also the plastic trims, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.